Controversial Australia-based philanthropist Susan Mutami has reignited political tension with a series of explosive claims involving President Emmerson Mnangagwa, former tourism minister Mzembi, and other high-profile figures in Zimbabwe's ruling elite. Sadambira mashoko ari kuda panguva ino chirikuona Susan Mutami achidropa explosive allegations against Mnangagwa and Mzembi. We will subscribe or like on the bell icon. In a lengthy social media rant, Mutami questioned the wisdom behind Mzembi's return to Zimbabwe, warning that Mnangagwa, whom she described as vindictive and unforgiving, could pose a serious threat to the former minister's life. Can you please explain to me why you don't listen when I give warnings? No one knows Mnangagwa and this crew the way I do, Mutami posted. Who advised Walter Mzembi to return to Harare without a proper change of guard? She alleged that Mnangagwa and Mzembi have long been at odds, tracing their fallout to an incident in London during Mzembi's tenure as tourism minister. According to Mutami, Mzembi witnessed something he was not supposed to see, leading to lasting animosity between the two. Mnangagwa doesn't forgive and he doesn't forget. He will lay you in and crush you like a fly if you want. Mutami further claimed that Mzembi had tried to prevent the alleged assassination of the late Foreign Affairs Minister Sibusiso Moyo, but his warning went unheeded. The day SB Moyo was assassinated, Walter called Lois Matanda Moyo to warn her, but she dismissed him. He tried to save SB Moyo, Mutami wrote. She also dragged in other political figures, including businessman KUTYA Gray and exiled former minister ZVAITWA, saying there is no honor among thieves. Mutami alleged that Vice President Kosano Chiwenga survived an assassination attempt by Mnangagwa only because of Chinese intervention. If it wasn't for Xi Jinping and his trusted professionals, Chiwenga would be dead, she said. Mutami ended the rant with a cryptic message suggesting she holds more damaging secrets. In quotes, musoro wangu wakatakura masecrets, kufa kwako kucharaudza vakawanda, my baby daddy, she said, in what appeared to be a dig at former Northern MP Themba Mliswa. Her claims, though unverified, have sparked heated debate on social media and further fueled intrigue around internal ZANU-PF rivals. In the comment section, you will be able to leave on for each. So, subscribe or like, don't on the bell icon.